Welcome back to Little Tech Learners. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of blockchain technology. You might have heard it mentioned alongside Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but blockchain is much more than that. So, what's behind this technology, and how is it shaping our digital world? Let's connect the blocks and discover together. Blockchain is essentially a digital ledger. Think of it like a high-tech list that securely records transactions. What makes it unique is its ability to keep this information decentralized and incredibly secure. Unlike a traditional ledger that is kept in one place, blockchain distributes copies of the ledger across a network of computers. This network is what we call a peer-to-peer network, where everyone participates equally. When a transaction occurs, it's broadcasted to this network, and the computers, known as nodes, work to verify the transaction using complex algorithms. Once verified, the transaction is combined with others to create a new block of data for the ledger. But how do we ensure that this information is secure and tamper-proof? Here comes the brilliance of blockchain. Each block is linked to the previous one using a cryptographic signature. This chain of blocks creates a history of transactions that's nearly impossible to alter, because to change one block, you would need to change every block after it on every node in the network. Blockchain's uses stretch far beyond cryptocurrencies. It's being explored for securely storing medical records, making supply chains transparent, and even voting in elections. Its potential is vast, and we're just beginning to see how it could change our society. Now, you might be wondering, if everyone has a copy of the ledger, what about privacy? Well, blockchain has a clever solution for that too. It uses cryptographic techniques to ensure that while everyone can see the transactions, the true identities of the people making those transactions are protected. One of the most significant advantages of blockchain is trust. Since the records are transparent and cannot be changed retroactively, it builds a system of trust without the need for a central authority. This could mean lower costs and faster transactions because it removes the need for middlemen like banks or other institutions. But, as with any technology, there are challenges. Blockchain requires significant computational power, which raises concerns about energy consumption. There's also the question of how to regulate a system that's inherently designed to be borderless and decentralized. In conclusion, blockchain is a transformative technology with the potential to change how we interact with the digital world. Its ability to provide security, efficiency, and trust could revolutionize countless industries. As we continue to explore and understand blockchain, we're excited to see how it will unfold in the years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of blockchain with Little Tech Learners. Stay inquisitive, keep exploring, and remember to subscribe for more tech insights explained in a way everyone can understand.